of x equals a. Oh, never mind.
A.
Ax minus h squared plus k.
Now what is this? Vertex or standard form?
Vertex.
Okay, now tell me from this what are the coordinates of the vertex?
H and k.
Okay, very good. And what is the axis of symmetry?
H.
What is the standard form of the quadratic function?
Um. It's
We actually discussed this, right? What is this? Look at the screen and tell me what is the standard form. No, tell me what is the standard form. It's written here, come on.
f of ax squared plus bx plus c.
F of ax squared. It is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the standard form. Okay. Now, if Pranav is given the standard form, now he will tell me what will be the vertex.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. What will be the vertex, which is the value of h. Okay, because h and k are the coordinates of the vertex, right? So if it is in the standard form, what will be the value of h here?
Oh, b over 2a.
Minus b over 2a is going to be the value of h. Then what will be the value of k? What will be the y coordinate of the vertex? This is the x coordinate, right? Minus b over 2a. Then what will be the y coordinate of the vertex? Because Pranav will have the two coordinates, x coordinate and the y coordinate. Then he can plot the point, right? So if the vertex is minus b over 2a, that is the x coordinate, what will be the y coordinate?
Um.
F of h. Okay. Now,
Uh-huh.
once you get the value of h, what is Pranav going to do? He is going to substitute that value in the given function and find out f of h, and that's going to be the y coordinate. So, he will get the value of h and k, which is minus b over 2a and f of minus b over 2a. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? I missed that. Okay, I was missing that. What Pranav says. Okay, now we have seen. Okay, now tell me when is the what to say parabola opening up and down?
Reflections.
Okay, reflections. Yeah, that's correct. But when is it opening up? How will you get to know? From what value you will get to know that it's opening up or down?
If there's a negative a, then it's opening down. If there's not, then it's going up.
Okay, opens up if it is positive A, opens down if it is negative A. Okay. And what else? Huh? Now, what is the y-intercept? Tell me. What do you mean by y-intercept, first of all? No, anytime if I say a graph is having a y-intercept, what is the meaning of y-intercept? The point where the graph intersects the y-axis. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? Is it
Yeah.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Now this point is going to be 0 and C. Okay, y-intercept is going to be 0 and C. Why 0? Tell me. Why is it 0?
Because opening at the origin.
No. Why is it? Why did I say that the coordinates of the y-intercept are going to be of the form 0 and C? Why is the x a coordinate 0 here?
Because there's a y-intercept.
And it lies on the y-axis, right? On a y-axis, you have each point to be having its x-coordinate to be 0. Okay, any point on the y-axis will have the x-coordinate 0. Okay, so 0 c will be the y-intercept of the graph. Okay, now what is the value of c then?
Um, the y-intercept.
Okay, but how will you find it out?
Um,
How will you find it out, Pranav?
You check the graph.
No, not take the graph. Okay, without the graph, how is Pranav going to find out the y-intercept? He is going to actually substitute x as 0 there, right? So whatever form you have, f of x is equal to a times x minus h square plus k. You can substitute here x is equal to 0. Or even if you have the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Here we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 0. You'll get the value of c. F of x y is equal to c means this point c. This constant will give you the y coordinate of the y-intercept. Okay. So in any function, if you want to find out the y-intercept, what is Pranav doing? Tell me. Whatever may be the form of the function, if whether it's the vertex form or the standard form, how is Pranav going to find out the y-intercept?
You use C equals AH2 squared plus K.
Or you can substitute x is equal to 0. Hmm?
Mhm.
Because y-intercept means your x coordinate is 0. It's the point on the y-axis, right? Yeah, so these were the different characteristic properties when you have the parabola in the standard form. Now let us see how is Pranav going to graph a quadratic function which is in the standard form. We didn't do that. We did it in the vertex form. How do we actually do a graph it? But we didn't study this. We just studied the properties in the previous class. Okay. I just went through the properties so that you can actually yeah, a sort of revision part of it.
Graph f of x equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. Label the vertices and axis of symmetry.
Okay, f of x is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 1, and you have to show the vertex and what is it? Axis of symmetry. Hmm. Now
Mhm.
tell me, Pranav, how will you start with it? Your function is given in the standard form. It is in the standard form. Okay? The function is in the standard form and you have to graph this. So what will be the first step? What Pranav is going to do here?